If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you'd like to win but you think you can't, it's almost a fact you won't. If you think you'll lose, you're lost, for out in the world we find success begins with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. If you think you're outclassed, you are. You've got to think high to rise. You've got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win the prize. Life's battle doesn't always go to the stronger or faster man, but sooner or later the man who wins is the man who thinks he can.
Who's the white bird, Dad?
That's Eton.
Oh.
See, they're going to come back at the night. See, they're getting them. Winchester's coming back. Come on, Winchester! Come on, Winchester!